In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Siteground Webmail account to Gmail account. First, open your browser and head to the My Siteground dashboard. If you're not already signed in, log in using your usual credentials. We're starting here because your email tools live inside your hosting control panel. From the main dashboard, click on the website section. You'll see a list of the sites you host. Find the site whose domain you want to use for email, then open Site Tools for that site. Site Tools is where you manage everything behind the scenes, including DNS files, and most importantly for today, email. Inside Site Tools, look on the left-hand menu for email and then choose Accounts. This is the place where you create and manage mailboxes for your domain. If your account has more than one domain, make sure the correct domain is selected at the top before you proceed, so your new address ends with the right name. Next, click the button to create a new email account. A small form will appear. In the account name field, type the mailbox name you want. This becomes the part before the @ sign, like info, hello, or your first name. Pick something that matches how you plan to use the address: general inquiries, personal correspondence, or a role-based inbox. Now enter a strong password for this mailbox. Use a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid anything easy to guess. A password manager is a great way to generate and store this securely. Remember, this password is what you'll use when you link the mailbox in Gmail later. When those fields look good, click Create. SiteGround will set up the mailbox for you, and in a few seconds it will appear in your list of accounts. That's it. You now have an active SiteGround webmail address associated with your domain. Before you move on, double check that the address is spelled correctly and that the domain shown is the one you intended. Keep the full email address and the password handy. You'll need them when you add this account inside Gmail so you can read and send messages from your Gmail inbox using your domain address. Quick recap. We opened My SiteGround, went to websites, launched Site Tools, navigated to email then accounts, chose the right domain, created the mailbox, set a secure password, and completed the setup. With your mailbox created, you're ready to connect it to Gmail in your next step.